So, update tayo mga ka-DIY. So, yan yung position ng ating board. So, yan yung board nya. So, yung B1. So, itong B1. B negative. So, yung first is yung B negative. So, yan yung first negative natin. So, yan yung main negative. Ito namang B1. So, yung B1, ito dito sa first positive. And B2. So, as you can see, yung B2 is nandito. So, yun. Yung yellow. So, yung B2 is dun sa third. First positive, second positive, and third positive, and fourth positive. Yan. So, yan. Sunod-sunod lang yan. So, kapag nakabit nyo na yung board, so, mayroon lang naman yung screw na position nyo dyan. So, madali na lang hanapin yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng wire. So, yan. So, yung red, ito yung main positive nya. So, yan ang main positive. So, tinest natin yung voltage ng ating battery pack. As you can see, meron tayong tester dito. So, tester. So, yan. And main. So, yun. So, 18.06 volt. So, yan yung battery voltage natin. So, mali yung 88 volts na yan. So, yan yung battery voltage lang na tama dapat. So, yun. Bali, isosoldahin na natin. So, gamit itong Ichiba natin. Ichiba na soldering lead. So, paubos na yung soldering lead ko. So, magandang klaseng soldering lead to. Original. So, ito yung battery pack nya. Enclosure box nya. So, yan. So, ganyan ang itsura ng battery drill natin. So, yan. Mayroon siyang indicator light. Yan. So, papakita ko kung ano yung wiring diagram ng. So, mayroon ako ditong sinampol na paano yung wiring diagram ng. So, as you can see, yan yung board. So, magkaiba lang yung position ng board. So, yan yung ano nya. So, yan yung wiring diagram nya. So, yan yung position ng battery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battery, 5S. So, yan yung 5S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 and 2P, 3P. 5 is 3P. So, 5 series and 3 parallel na battery na 18650. So, as you can see, yung B negative. So, yan yung B negative, yung ilalim, yung kulay itim. So, B negative. So, yan yung B negative natin dito. So, yan yung first main negative nya. So, yung next naman na connection is yung B1. So, B1 positive. So, ang B1, yan. So, wala lang positive na nakalagay. Pero, yan na yung susunod na numbering. So, and ito. Yan. B, itong number, ano naman. Yan. So, natabunan yung ano nya. Sunod-sunod lang yan. B1, B2, B3. So, yung B, number 3 yun. B4. And, the last one is yung main negative. So, close yung ating ano. And the last, yan. Yung main positive nya. So, B plus. So, yun yung B plus. B positive. And B4. Ayan, yung dito yung B4. So, simple connection lang naman yan. Basta meron lang kayong soldering lead, soldering iron, and spot weld. So, napakadali lang gawin yung ganitong battery pack. So, mas madali siya kapag meron kayong soldering spot weld. Kasi kapag soldering lead, medyo pagpangit yung soldering iron nyo. At least dapat nasa 100 watts para yan matunaw at mapakapit mo kagad yan. So, update lang tayo mamaya. So, yun. Nag-iyak na yung ating hi. Say hi.